WATTON. This coin provide me $40,000 return, 400%. I share this trade at the private list right here on 20. We bought this coin for 0.0008 and put a sell order up here, daily resistance 0.004, 400%. Let me show something, a technique to find this kind of trade. Go. This is a 1 hour chart. Go to a daily chart. That's what I'm talking about. Before the pump, I was expecting the price to get close to this line. This is a 48 exponential moving average. When you become a member, I will teach you a strategy to use those lines to do a swing trade, guys. But I use a daily resistance and you put a sell order right here at 0.004, 400%, $40,000, easy money. Trade recap today. The coins I share in the private list was WATTON, IAGON, Marinade, MediShares, Polychain, and Serum. We make money on this software, this tracker, because we focus on volume, guys. Volume is the confirmation. Let me give you a quick example here. IAGON. Take a look how the volume works. Go to CoinMarketCap. It's free, guys. Pay attention. Before the pump, IAGON, the volume was right here, $100,000 on June 10. Volume on June 13, $225,000. That means the volume double. And 17, 16, volume $270,000. Take a look at the volume today, $676,000. That's what I'm talking about. The volume start to increase. Eventually, what's gonna happen? Buyers will control the market. That's when I jump in. That's when I share my trades in the private list, because our group pump pump the price because the buyers already control the market. Okay. If you don't like to trade crypto, guys, we can trade for you, provide you 25% of return of investment. Okay. Next trade recap, it's Marinade, MNDE. I shared this trade in the private list right here on 20. We bought this coin for 0.048. Put a sell order up here, daily resistance 0.08. I made 65%. I made 6,500. Charles, welcome to Charles, a new member. Charles, what happened is that's the picture I share in the private list on the email group. When I share this trade in the private list, pay attention. The date was June 20 at 3 p.m. guys. All you gotta do, you have to buy the coin on this price range here and they put a sell order up here at daily resistance. Just follow my commands, my instruction. Put a sell order right here. Charles, he trade a different coin because he searched on the coin market cap this name here, Marinade. Charles, you gotta pay attention to the symbol MNDE. Okay, don't worry about it. You're gonna recover this money soon. Feel free to reach me out. I just made 735% profit on the 4 days. If you don't like to trade crypto, we can trade for you. Give me a like this video, share. Let's trade together, because together we are strong. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day. TradeCryptoTime@gmail.com.